My name is Jeremy Popp, and I'm a GIS manager at the Montgomery County Auditor's office. Today you'll get an overview of what we do here and a brief interview with our staff members. I started working for Montgomery County in 1999 as an AutoCAD technician. My background is a degree in AutoCAD from ITT Tech. The GIS Department is comprised of 5 staff members, and we update a countywide GIS system as it relates to real estate assessment for tax purposes. This includes property boundary lines, city boundary lines, acreages, recorded plat lines, and several other feature classes. We also create custom maps internally for public outreach, and we also create maps for other county departments, such as Board of Elections, building permits, and economic development. A brief overview of my duties would include managing and assisting personnel to make sure they're productive and they have everything they need, software troubleshooting and database management, and I help maintain our GIS system, which includes over 70 layers in our SDE geodatabase. I also perform basic customer service.
Hi, my name is Caroline Johnstone, and I'm a GIS technician here in the auditor's office. I've been working here for about a year now, and before this, I went to the University of Dayton and got a degree in geology and also a GIS certificate. So a lot of my background in GIS comes from my coursework and then also some of my thesis work. My daily activities here include drawing up new surveys as they come in, and then also working on some zoning updates and making maps for jurisdictions as needed. And then I also do some customer service work, which includes just answering the phones and then making like general maps for citizens of their properties and just other information that they may need.
Hi, my name is Ellen Snyder. I work in the GIS and mapping department here in the auditor's office. I'm a GIS technician. My background in education included a joint vocational school for high school. I studied computer science and GIS my senior year. I also went to St. Clair Community College after graduating and received my GIS certificate, and I'm recently working on a GIS degree with a specialization in programming. On a day-to-day basis, I work on plats. I work on custom maps like the tornado map that many of you have seen. I also have done an economic and development map, which included census data, and I also do customer service, which is just helping people on a day-to-day basis from the public, local municipalities, and other co-workers. I also fill in as necessary in other areas of our department and the auditor's office department.
So here's our map room. So we have a conference table in the middle. We have 3 large format printers. We have large format supplies and map storage over here. We have a laminator back in the corner, and we have a cutter in the front.
Hello, my name is Dexter Wright. I've worked for the Montgomery County Auditor's office for over a year now. I've spent all that time as a GIS technician. I first got my bachelor's degree at Miami University in 2017, where I majored in geography, urban and regional planning, and public administration, as well as completing their geographic information science certificate program. My main specialty in particular is dealing with, I find transportation GIS particularly fascinating, which is why the daily task that the county has me working on involves street center lines and address points. Whether they need to be added or they need to be updated or deleted, that's my main area that I work on a daily basis. But in my downtime, I've worked on a few special projects. Like earlier this year, I completed our first zip code layer that the county needed. And I've also helped them work on adding all the historical recorded plats to our main system so people can see what used to be there before. And currently I'm working on a project where we're trying to make sure that all the easement lines are in our system so it's up to date so everyone can see that on our web map. But that's pretty much a rundown, the main rundown of what I do up here.
Oh, that's great.
Definitely not ready. I need like a warning.
The GIS department has a staff of 5.
That's all I have.
Do software trouble.
My daily tasks here in the mapping department include.
Was cut?
Yeah.
Keep going. Okay, hold on.
I worked on a zip code. I helped them complete it. I helped the county. Yeah. Sorry.
Wait.
Did you get this?
These are the notes.